What's up, guys? Welcome back to the TechNotTech YouTube channel. And I know I haven't posted in a while, but I finally got the Steam Deck, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video. So that's what today's video is. I'll be doing an unboxing of the Steam Deck, and I got the 64GB version. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so here we got the box. So gotta try and look at my address. I'll cover it up. So let's get this box open up. So got all these like words on it. Looks like different languages. Not exactly sure what they're all says, but it's covered in these weird words. Got this thing on it. It says attention, and it tells you to plug in and power on. Like a step thing. Then on the back is just a big picture of the Steam Deck and the guide for it. Let's get there. Okay, so first we'll look at this. I assume this is the power adapter. It comes in this like small little box and has a big lightning bolt on it, so I'm assuming that's means that it's a power cord. So let's open it up. Okay, so inside is the power cable. It's a wall adapter. It's a square wall adapter, and it's a USB-C. So your Steam Deck takes USB-C charger, and I think that's all for this tiny little box. There's like inside the box is also like an instruction manual. It's a little pamphlet. I guess it tells you if you need help with anything. It's in like 3 different languages. For English, Spanish, France, and Japanese. So this is all the info that you need inside this little pamphlet. And then now to the main attraction, which is the Steam Deck itself. And that's the last thing inside the box. And the box is also covered in more of those weird looking words on the bottom. And so, okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so out is the Steam Deck, and it's in this like this white plastic. Let's take that off. Alright, so once you got that off, you have the Steam case, and you also have like this, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but got this like stretchy thing on the back, and it's actually empty. It's like a hollow part, but I saw someone else do a review on it, and they got like the 500GB model, and it actually had like some pouch inside of it. So I guess they don't give that to people who buy the 64GB, but it's just like an empty space right there. If you lift this up, it's empty. Okay, and it got this valve thing on the zipper, so you gotta cut that off, take it and open it up. So let's go ahead and cut it off. And then unzip it. And then, boom, there you have it, the Steam Deck. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought from looking at it on videos and pictures and whatnot. It's thinner than I thought. It has like that new smell to it. And here you got the Steam button, the settings button, 2 speakers down there, the joysticks, the ABC pad, the D-pad. Yeah, they got all your stuff on it, and you got some more buttons here, and some more stuff on buttons on the back. And that's all that's in the case. It's just the Steam Deck itself. So that's all for the unboxing. So make sure to leave a like on this if you guys want to see me do a full review. I'll test it out for a little while and I'll do a full review on it. So guys, let me know, and I guess I'll catch you guys later. I know it was a pretty short video and I haven't posted in a while, but I'll make sure to post a full review on the Steam Deck. This video is just an unboxing. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace.